Hi, greetings from Coorg Flat Fenders. This is Sudin here. Today we will discuss on the windshield vent for CJ3A, which also came in CJ2A. So this particular part will have two different pieces. One is called the vent latch, which is consists of a latch, a spring, and a bracket which holds the latch along with the spring. The spring is loaded with the bolt, and the other part is called the vent plate, which have a lock called vent lock, which is fixed on the windscreen. So this actually will secure the open and closed position of the vent in the windscreen. So here are a few pictures which I have gathered from the internet for the benefit of all, and here you can see how to design or how to make a spring by yourself and fix this particular windshield vent. And if things are not available, you can always approach to Sri Ganesh Industries, Jaipur, India, and Kaiser Village, USA, and MD John. These are the part suppliers who supply these parts. Thank you for watching.